Hi guys, today is day 39 of my challenge to read 60 books in 60 days, and the book I read today is Made to Stick by Chip and Dan Heath. A book that teaches us how to make ideas stick in people's mind using a formula called success. So, in today's video, I will break down this success formula and show you how to use it to make any idea unforgettable. Transition. First, what is this success thing and how does it work? Success stands for simple, unexpected, concrete, credible, emotional, and story. These are the features that will make your idea stick in people's mind. So let's break them down and see how each of them works. First, simple. If you want people to remember your idea, you have to make sure it does not have too many details. Steve Jobs used to say one thing: simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And this is the idea here. You want to make your idea so simple that even an 8 years old little kid will understand it. You want to avoid your idea to have too many details. You want to avoid your idea to share so many information so people will even get confused. Your idea needs to have a core, and this core has to be as obvious that as soon as you show it or as soon as you begin to pitch it, people immediately and instantly understand what you are about to share with them. So remember this: when it gets simple, it gets unforgettable. Second, make it unexpected. What you want is to show to people something they have never seen before. It does not have to be something 100% revolutionary. The idea is for you to make sure when you begin to pitch your idea, in order for you to grab their attention, to start with something new, something they have never heard before. This is how you grab their attention. But how do you actually manage to keep this attention long enough for them to listen to the end? That's where the second part will come in. You have to trigger interest. Show them why or in what sense does your idea actually benefit them. You have to focus on these two things: what is new in your idea and how does this idea benefit them. When you make sure to you highlight these 2 points or these two details, you are grabbing their attention and keeping it, which leads you to the third point: make it concrete. You don't want your idea to be too abstract for people to understand it. You don't want it to have too many details. You don't want it to have too many, scientist things or formulas that are too complicated, the things that requires a certain professionalism for them to understand. No, you want it to be clear, you want it to be understandable, and you want them to remember. That's why you have to make it concrete. And how do you make it concrete? Instead of showing them the formulas, or instead of showing them the concepts, instead of showing them what is scientist, what is professional, show them what is basic, what is easy. Show them a picture, show them a video, show them an image. They are going to remember this idea. Why? Because your mind will remember an image easier than it will remember a concept that it has heard for the first time. So that's why you want to show them a video. That's why you want to show them an image, in order for them, or in order for you to make sure their brain remembers this image. Their brain keeps this image in their mind. This way, your idea also sticks with this image in their brain. So they remember. It is as simple: add images, add videos, and avoid formulas or what is too abstract. Number four, make it credible. You may show them videos and pictures, even make it as simple as we want, but you know that people are people. They will always find good reasons to try to get you to doubt you. They will try to want to see more. That's where you have to make it credible. You have to make them believe. You have to give them every chances, every proofs they need to believe. So provide them proofs, and overall play the card of the social proofs. Show them that their families are using it. How many people from the community, how many of the people themselves are already using the exact same product or the exact same idea? From how many people have already heard of this idea and have agreed with this idea? This is where you just do your best to provide as many proofs as you can. Providing proofs is how you get them to believe you. Providing proofs is how you convince them that, hey guys, we're not playing games, okay? This is something that works. And how many people have been using this thing so far? And you better listening. You better trusting what I'm telling you, what I'm about to share with you, because so many people have. Provide proofs, get them to believe, and move to point five. Make it emotional. This is where you make them care. This is where you give them the reasons to act, because the feelings give them the reasons to act. It even forces them to act. So let them understand that this is not about business. This is not about money. This is not about you and me. It goes beyond our cooperation. It goes beyond our collaboration. This is about the people who suffer. This is about our money. This is about our country. This is where you play the emotional card. This is where you make them care. This is why you make them understand that they have to act. They have to do something. Yep. Make it emotional. Make it emotional. Create hope if you can. Make them angry if you can. Make them sad if you can. Whatever. But trigger emotions in your idea and force them to act. And number 5, make stories with your idea. This is where you tell a story to create the memory in their minds, so their minds will just remember this idea longer. A memory is just like an image to our brain. It remembers it better and for longer. So if you want to make this idea stick, tell them stories. If you want to trigger emotions, tell them stories. If you want to do whatever it takes, the great thing for you is to tell them stories so you create memories so they will not forget this idea. I hope this video was useful for you. I will see you tomorrow, day 40. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.